See, I believe in backup plans on a minor scale, just not with things that are really important to me. Let me explain. Alright. The way I feel is, if something is extremely important to you, there is no backup plan. It's the only option. See, something I take very serious is my family, and I'm probably overly protective of my family. And think about me saying the phrase, well, the backup plan to protecting my family is, see, there is no backup plan. It's the only option. I look at multiple people who we would consider to be prominent figures and to be successful, whether it be in their career, whether it be financially, they're successful. And I hear some of their stories about, I guess the stereotypical rags to riches stories, but they talk about how they struggle. They talk about while they're pursuing their career, some people lived homeless, some people had to sleep on their friend's couch, stayed in their car, and I thought about it. What if those individuals had a backup plan? A backup plan could be a reason why you stopped creating. You started creating and you've done a few things and you're not getting the financial turnaround that you expected right out the gate. And so you fall on your backup plan. And that backup plan, that safety net, has prevented you from being successful. This can be a challenge. This can be a challenge for some people. Not having that safety net, not having that backup plan. I know people who like to plan steps A, B, C, D, just always trying to be prepared for the next scenario. And, that's what we're taught. That's what we learn growing up. But in this instance, I do feel like it's best if you just don't have a backup plan. And you have to get past some of those challenges. I'm going to tell you how. But we just got to the dog park. It's time to have some fun with Joy.
You.
One of the biggest challenges with not having a backup plan is your parents. Your parents always want you to have a backup plan. And I watched this interview between Pharrell Williams and Spike Lee, and I'll put it in the description and tag it above, where Spike Lee says that parents kill more dreams than anybody else. And I believe that to be true because a lot of parents want you to have that safety net. They always push you towards careers where it's safe. There's always going to be jobs available. So they'll say, well, they're always going to need police officers. People are always going to need lawyers. People are always going to need doctors. And not that there's anything wrong with those careers, but if that's not your passion, then you shouldn't be doing it. Because you wind up in a career where you make a lot of money, but you're still not happy. You're still miserable because it's not what you love doing. I said all that to say that don't give yourself that safety net. If creating is what you want to do, then that should be your only option. It should be the only thing that's on your mind, the only thing that you want to do. Don't give yourself that safety net of a backup plan, because as soon as things get hard, and they will get hard, then you'll always fall back on that backup plan and you'll never get back to creating. You'll never 100% do what it is that you truly want to do.
Remember, there will always be 1,001 reasons why you shouldn't create, but you only need one reason to do it. No excuses, just create.